Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today you're joining me on a very hot Texas day, but to fix that we are going to fix a very big problem on the 944, and that is the 944's AC. Now, as you Texas folks know, living out in Texas without AC is the worst. I know that you overseas people don't quite understand how important AC is, but it is a necessity for people like me. So what I have right here in this here box is a refurbished AC condenser for my Porsche 944. Now, I would have gone new, but they're like 700 to, I saw one listing for 1,500. I'm buying a refurbished one. Comparison video would be fun, but money saving is even funner. So let's get this installed and not sweat. Alright, so we got my little temperature gauge right here. So let's just shoot right into my air vents. 105. And then let's also hit this directly onto the seat. So you're really not working with any AC at all, especially when it's 94 degrees out in Texas. So yeah. So underneath here, basically I've got to disconnect this guy, get the belt off, get this guy off, and we should be good to go. Well, I mean, let's just go. Let's just go. All right. Alright, so plans change. Can't get this guy off, so I'm just gonna do that. This thing's probably gonna follow me, but so here you got the two compressors. Here is the refurbished one, here's the one that was sitting in there. So the only real difference that you can see besides the paint scheme is actually this bracket right here. Kind of hard to see, but this guy. And on this guy, we're actually missing it. So we're actually kind of running out of daylight here, so I might as well just work a little bit of magic. So, ready? Boom. Got that guy on. It's now dark. Definitely did not take a trip to O'Reilly's to get new O-rings. But let's get this bad boy in. you guys are wondering why I'm still out doing this, even though it is dark and getting late, is because I just got this guy fixed, and now I'm leaving for Dallas tomorrow. I'm not taking it with me, but I don't want this to sit again, so we're gonna get this fixed. After I plug it in. Oh right, that is my AC compressor put in. I'm so tired and this was such a pain. Oh my gosh. Oh my, guys. All right, here we are. We are currently getting a vacuum going for this guy. It's gonna take about 20 to 40 minutes, so it'll definitely take a while, but here's the setup. And yeah.
Compressor should kick on. High side went up, low side went up, high side building pressure. Looks really good actually.
Since I'm out here, I might as well take my old phone mount off and put on my MagSafe one. Still using Android, but I now have a MagSafe attachment on the back, and this is just easier. So let's go ahead and put that guy on. Nice. Boom. Nice. So we are now in the 944, driving around. I should just turn off the AC because it's a little cold. Of course, it is the morning right now. We are going to get tint, specifically ceramic tint. That's going to help with heat dissipation a little bit better. It's also going to protect my carpets, which is honestly the main reason why I'm getting it. My marine blue carpets, you can't find them. I would rather my carpets not be destroyed and stained and weathered. So yeah, guys, we are on our way to the tint shop. All right, guys, now we have the tint on. It is very, very dark. So this actually kind of transforms your AC. I was driving this home, I would say it's 94 degrees out. I had the AC on low. That just kind of shows the power of ceramic tint. So I'm not the biggest fan of tint on the 944s. I like seeing the inside, I like seeing everything going on. But now that I have tint on, this thing looks pretty sick. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video of making this car just a little bit more fun to drive. Protecting my car's interior, making AC, putting in AC, installing the AC, charging the AC, and making the AC more functional with the ceramic tint. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.